Hi, my name's Becca and I'm from Miller's Crossing Design. I'm a few weeks away from opening my own design studio, and our budget did not allow for expensive flooring. So I really wanted something that reflected my style and the look of the shop that I'm going for, which is kind of an industrial, clean, modern farmhouse vibe. So I started with having OSB sheets put down. You can get these at any home improvement store. You want to make sure that they're down securely, that it's safe for people to walk on. And then I just cleaned them really well. I vacuumed around the edges and I swept really well several times. And now that it's ready to be painted, I'm gonna go ahead and get my paint ready, and I'll come back on and show you how I do and what I use. So I will be back in a few minutes. Okay guys, so I'm back. I use an 18-inch roller. It is half napped because the wood is a little bit more textured, so you want to have a thicker nap for that, for rough surfaces. I'm using PPG Pittsburgh paints, porch and floor paint, and I'm using a satin finish, and the paint color is called Onyx, and it's a Benjamin Moore color. So I get a big 18-inch roller, I attach the stick to it, and I have an extra large bin paint tray. It's 18 inches as well. So there's really no rhyme or reason for putting the black paint on. I don't need to be even because I'm gonna be doing a faux finish over the top anyways. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint the whole floor black. I'm not gonna do the edges yet because I'm gonna do a mixture of the two colors along the edge to save myself the trouble of blending two cut-ins. So I'll just show you a little bit. It's not this part's not rocket science. This isn't the important part to get the finish, but it's the base. So I'm gonna come over here. Bring the tripod down a little bit. I'm sorry, I'm not great at this video stuff. All right, there we go. Okay. So I'm just gonna roll it enough to get one solid coat on where I don't see any of the wood underneath. And for porch and floor paint does not require a primer because it actually has a primer in it. So that's another step I don't have to do. But it goes pretty fast, I'm gonna be honest. It's not horrible. I was really intimidated at first, but now that I've done a whole other section, it's really not that hard to do. It's actually kind of fun. But you might have to sit on some heat later on in the evening because it can get, it can be a little rough on your body because you do have to kind of push, to get into the grain of the wood, you really kind of have to push like that. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the black floor, and then I'll come back and show you the next step, which is the faux finish, which is the part that makes it look amazing. So I'll be back soon. Bye-bye. Hey guys, I'm back, and as you can see, the floor has been painted black, except for the edges. I have the middle part with one layer of the Onyx, which is a Benjamin Moore color, and now I'm going to add this color, which is called, I think it's called Thunder. It's a Benjamin Moore color as well. It's called Thunder, and I'm just gonna mix it right into the pan that has the Onyx in it, because it's okay if it mixes because I want to have that variation of the two colors in there anyways. So I'm just going to use the same exact roller. It's already got black on it, and Let me see if I can just turn this down a little bit so you can see the tray. There it is. Okay, I'm just gonna pour it in there. And hopefully it's enough black because I am running low. So I'm gonna have to go to the store and get more black. But that's okay if it does, because I can just do one layer of this thinner, this lighter color, and then I'll go back over it again with the mixture again. So it's all mixed in there. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the technique. Sorry, which really isn't that fancy. And people are gonna be like, wow, you're really not that talented, lady. But I figured it out. So I've got the roller that's mixed, and I'm just gonna take my roller and go like this, and then turn it and go like this. It's okay if it doesn't coat perfectly, because I don't want it to. I want it to have some variation in it, so it looks like concrete that you would see at Pottery Barn or one of those type of stores. So I'm not going to go too crazy with it, and I want the lines, so you can see the lines in there, because when they dry they look pretty cool. And that's what makes this kind of easy, because it's different than wall paint, where you just have to kind of be perfect. And because I'm using a roller that's a thicker nap, I'm getting some texture in there too. So I'm going to continue to do this all the way down. And then if I do need to add some more black, I will do that later and show you the final product. So I'll be back in a little bit. Hi, so the final step is to cut in my edges. You could cut in the edges before you even start, but I kind of found that I wasn't sure what kind of mixture I was going to get in each area, so it was easier to do it when I was done. So I'm just going to show you real quick how that's done. I kind of just came up with this myself, so I don't know if anybody has a better way. I've got an edging brush to get real close up to the edges. And I have a sponge just to kind of mix the colors. So I'm making sure that I have the black and the light gray in there. And I'm just gonna kind of fill it in, like this. The sponge makes it pretty easy. And then I'm gonna use this brush to get close to do my edging, because the sponge won't get on there, or get up in there right along the edge. So that's where I use that, and then I just kind of mix this a little bit. So as you can see, I've got it mixed like that, but the problem is now it looks like I brushed it, and I want it to blend in so it looks like concrete. So I'm going to make sure that I've got a little bit of the black and the gray on a half nap small roller. And I'm just going to go over it. And you see I had a little bit more white or the light gray on here, so I'm going to keep mixing until it blends. And I'm going to pull it right into the other floor. And now that I have it mixed correctly, I probably won't have to do that every time. So that's pretty much all you need to do. It's really hard to get it mixed in right along the edges, but hopefully people won't notice too much. So that's that. Please subscribe to my channel. I would really love that, and any questions you might have about this process, please let me know. I will also have a blog post linking all of the products to it. And like I said, I hope you follow me. I have a lot of fun, cool ideas. So have a good day. Bye.